Okay, this will be a video chart on GWBU. Did this one, I think, back around one of these days before it popped up here, and then you can see it has since consolidated some. I've been getting a bunch of questions on it, still wondering what's been going on. People say, I have shares, how was it looking? And I should note that I do have some shares too, not a lot, but I picked some up because the chart is, definitely going through this little area of consolidation here. And whether or not it's basing out for another move upwards, or maybe it's just slowly running out of gas, I don't know. But given the history of these sorts of charts, usually they kind of just shoot up and then fall right back down. So seeing this sideways action makes me think that we could potentially have something like this going on, just to a longer term scale. Obviously this one was only about 4 days, whereas this one has been going on for a few weeks. So do I know for sure that this is what's going on? No, obviously I don't, but just using the previous history and seeing that we have this sort of formation that has happened before, has piqued my interest enough to make me pick up some shares and just kind of see what happens. Because as these ones have shown, if they do decide to head back up, they can really go big. But at the same time, I don't want to get stuck with a big size or anything like that. So just a small position to see if there's any sort of upwards movement. So what we really have going on here is pretty much a flag pattern. You could call it a pennant pattern if you wanted to. What color do we want to use here? We'll just use blue for that. Make this a little thick to represent the flagpole here. And then we have our area of resistance here, the trend line. So we'll change this to red for resistance. And we have our area of support right here. Change this to green for support. Shrink up this line a little bit. So if you kind of put on your imagination hats here, so once again, like I said, if this is the flagpole, and then this part here, for you golfers, that should hopefully, we'll do this, put the golf hole down here. So there is our pennant formation, and it is a bullish one. The reason it is a bullish pennant formation is because this is happening within the overall context of an uptrend. So it'll just be interesting to see over the next week if there can be any sort of breakout. The other thing to note is that during this current sideways movement here, you can see that volume has definitely dropped off, and that's exactly what you want to see happen during consolidation. The lower the volume, the better. So from that perspective, the volume analysis, it's acting exactly like you would want to see it. So at this point, it's just a matter of really seeing, if this level of support on the pattern is going to hold, or if the price does break through this trend line here. The bigger the volume, the better. So if we get some sort of candle like that, that's where we want to see volume start to creep back up on any sort of breakout. So that's what I'll be looking for, and that's pretty much what I see with the chart, is just this bull pennant pattern right now. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards on to penny stocks. So there's good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We're making some good money together on alerts. So I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was GWBU. Thanks for listening.